Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing awesome in your data science journey. So finally we are here with our first Python tutorial. And guys, before moving to a practical session, I will let you know that we will be only considering some important topics in Python that are very essential in the field of data science. Alright guys, so let's move with our first tutorial. And guys, this tutorial is based on variables and a number in Python. Okay, so we are moving with this tutorial, and the first one that we are starting with is Python variable, right guys? So guys, what is variable? Variable are nothing. It is a container for storing data values, different data values. And if someone who is watching this video who are good in Python, they know that Python has no command for declaring a variable, right? A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. The time you assign a value to it, the variable is created at that moment only. Now let's go with the example guys. Suppose I'm giving x equals to 5. Now guys, I am assigned some value to x, so x will be considered as a variable from now, right? uh, and in y guys, suppose I am giving some suppose name. Okay, so I am giving Ajay. If I will print x, you will see 5 because in x variable 5 values assigned. If I am doing print y, you will see Ajay. Right, this is the basic. I know you all know that. Now guys, one more thing guys, you know that variable do not need to be declared with any particular type, and can even change type after they have been set. We can change the type after they have been set. uh, let's go through this with the help of example. Right, suppose I am again taking a variable, one variable x is equals to, inside it I am assigning 5, and in y equals to I am saying hello. Right, now I am assigning one more thing in x, that is hello, suppose Python. Right, now guys, if I will do print, what do you think, what will be the output, Py or a Python? So the output will be Python, because we have changed our type from Py to Python, right? We will change again, like suppose I am doing Ali, right? So now our output will be Ali instead of Python, because we again changed the type from Python to. Now we are moving in with the topic of casting. Now guys, if you want to specify the data type of a variable like string or a float, integer, this can be done with the help of a casting. Suppose x is equals to, I am doing string, and inside that I am assigning some number. Now in y is equals to, I am doing float, and inside that I am assigning some number 6. Now if I will print y, we will see 6.0 because we have assigned y to a float type. So float is nothing but the decimal number. Right guys, now if you want to check the type of any particular variable, like what is the type of this variable or what is the type of that variable, you can also do that. First let us assign some value to the variable. X equals to again 67, and y equals to, suppose I am taking hello world. Right, now I want to check the uh, type of each variable. So how can you do that? Nothing, just you have to write print, inside that you have to use type function. Inside that for which variable you have to find the type. First we will go with x. So yeah, x, you can see it's an integer because 67 is a number. Same goes for y. In y we are doing type y. You can see it's a string because it has been printed in single inverted. Right, now go, we are going for, okay guys, do you know, is there any difference between single or double quotes in Python? Uh, s- Let me explain you with the help of examples. Suppose I am taking x equals to in single inverted comma I am doing hello, and in y I am taking double inverted comma, in that I am writing hello everyone. Okay. Now if I will do print x, you can see you will get hello, and if I will do print y, you can see everyone. So guys, string variable can be declared either by using single or double quotes. There is no difference at all if you are using single quotes or a double quotes. Right now, let's move to a further topic, that is case sensitive topic. Right? Guys, what is case sensitive? You know that variable names are considered to be a case sensitive. Why? Because suppose I am assigning some value to a variable and I am defining a variable as a equals to, inside that I am doing hi, and in capital A I am doing all. If now if I will do print, inside that I will write A, capital A. So what will be the output is all, you know. So from that we can find that, guys, capital A will not override small a. Okay, because they both are case sensitive variables, right? So capital A will not override small a. Okay. Now let's go move further. Do you know, guys, there is also some condition about the variables, like what all variables are legal variables and what all variables are illegal variables. So we will be seeing through some examples, but before moving to examples, I will give you some overview about the legal and illegal variables. The first point is, guys, a variable name must start with a letter or a underscore character. If a variable name that is starting with the letter or a underscore character, letter means either a or underscore, it will be considered as a variable, guys, like legal variable. And yeah, the variable name cannot start with a number. If you are starting a variable with the number, it is not considered to be a variable and you will get some kind of error, right? So there are different types of rules about the legal and illegal variables. We will see one by one with the example. Okay, so first is, suppose I am taking one variable that is my name, and inside that I am giving Ajay. So obviously this will be considered a legal variable because it is starting with the alphabet and there is no space, right? And if I'll do my name is equals to Ajay, this will be also considered as a legal variable because there is an underscore and starting is an alphabet. Okay, now if I'll do my name is equals to Ajay, this is also a legal variable. Now if I will use all the alphabets capital, so will that make any change? Let's see. Suppose my name is equals to, now Ajay is, we have taken lots of time, so let's take some new name. Let's start with Ali, right? Oh, that's great. This is also a legal variable. Now, okay, guys, we have seen legal variable. Now, guys, if I am using two and then my name is equals to Ali, what do you think, guys? This will be a legal variable or an illegal variable? This will be illegal variable because we cannot start any variable name with the starting numeric number, right? And one more example, my name is equals to Ali. This will be also considered as a legal variable because there is no underscore. Now this, what do you think about this, guys? My name Ali. This is also a illegal variable because there is a space and we can't define any space in between the variables. We have to either use underscore for that, right, guys? Okay. uh, One simple thing, guys, I want to let you know is this is all about variables. I hope you all like the variable session. can also practice this with the help of some more examples. Right now, we will be moving with the numbers. Now, you all know, guys, in numbers, there are three numeric types, that is integer, float, and a complex. And we will be going through each of them one by one. Okay. As you know, in integer, we will be defining whole number like 1, 2, 3. In float, we will be defining decimal numbers. And in complex, we will be defining like something called y equals to 3 plus 3 plus what should we take 5j. So these are considered to be a complex number, right? If you want to say it is a complex number or not, you can just do print inside that type and y. So you can say it's a complex. So you can practice for integer and you can check the type. You can go for float and complex. I have given you one example. So now guys, type conversion. If you want to change the type from integer to float or either from float to complex in any of them, how can you do that? First, let me define some value inside the variables and we will be doing a type conversion in each particular variables, right? So x is equals to I am taking 3, y equals to I am taking 4.5, and z equals to I am taking 3j. Now we will do type conversion. A equals to now x. I want to convert x variable into float because x is now an integer variable, right? So I want to convert it into a float. We will be using float. Instead that I am giving x. Now if you will see print type of a, you can see and it's a float. And if you want to check, you can just write print a, then 3.0. So it will be converted into the float. Now if I want to convert the y variable which is in float into the complex type, so how can we do that? Is simple. B is equals to complex. Inside that I am giving y, right, and print b. You can see 4.5 plus 0j, it is converted into the complex. If you want to check the type, you can do print type. Inside that just type b, so it's a complex. So like that we can do. This is the example of complex type conversion. Now guys, there is the last topic that is left, is random number. Suppose we have to generate some random number in some particular range. So how can we do that with the help of random? For that guys, we have to first import uh, random, right? After importing random package in Python, we will be doing print in that random dot rand range, and we are giving range from 1 to 50. Okay, now hit enter, you will see 3. So it's a number that is generated randomly from 1 to 50. So you can do it like that. Now let's perform some basic operation in number guys. This is very basic. I know you all know all these things, but we will see some example. Suppose guys 2 plus 3, it's 5. If you are going to multiply 2 multiply by 4, it's 8. If you are going to what it is, yeah, 2. So what double star denotes guys? It denotes power, means 2 to the power 2 to the raised to power 2. So the output will be 4. Right now 2 divided by 4, you will see 0.5. Now if you want to if you want to solve some equation guys, let's suppose we will take some example like 2 plus 5 into 3, we'll see 17. But hold on guys, why it is not printing uh, 2 plus 5, that is 10. 10 into 2, 30. Right, but it is printing 17 by because Python is using uh, board mass rule, and according to the board mass rule, guys, first multiplication will be solved, after then the addition will be done, right? Because multiplication has a higher priority than addition. If you want to uh, see the addition first, after that multiplication, so we have to use bracket, guys, like 2 plus 3 into 5. Now we'll see 25. Why? Oh, sorry. 2. Wait, 2 plus 5 into 3. We'll see 25, guys. Now you can see that first addition has been done, after that multiplication. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 into 3, 21. Same goes for here, guys. Sorry for my miscalculation. It is 2 plus 5, 7, and 7 into 3, 21. I told 30. So yeah, this is the thing, guys. I just have covered all the important parts in variables and number, guys. You can also practice by taking different examples. First go with variable, after then go with numbers. I hope you all like the today's session or today's tutorial. If you all like this session, please hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below how you like this video or not. In next tutorial, we are coming up with another topics that are important for data science, and that are also important in Python programming. So thank you so much, guys, and have a great day. See you in the next tutorial.